in the bedhead, come along with me today. It's our day in the life fall edition. So now that my husband is left for work and my 12-year-old son has left for school, I now have about 30 minutes before my little guys wake up. So I take this time to either listen to a lecture or a short Bible study before I get on with the rest of my day. Good morning, grumpy boy. There's Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, baby girl. It's chore time, and it is a windy morning. It's not too cold though, so that's good.
I don't want to be
They're very suspicious of the camera.
Want to me? Woo woo.
Go ahead. Go check in the nest box over there.
Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4.
You gonna carry that all the way out to the pigs?
No.
How about you carry the little one then? That's for the horses.
Oh, wow. Pigs are so.
They eat a lot.
Yeah.
Here,
Like,
get the little one. I'll
if
get
you
this one.
got 1 pig and 1,000 of that pig food in there, you just done. In there. Let's like that him.
Because he's so hungry. Watch out, he'll eat your jacket.
I don't touch him.
Alright guys, stand back, let me get in there. Get back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Go. There you go. There you go. What? No, he's not very soft. There's Frank. He's hungry. He's a hungry boy. You guys already ate your food?
Hey Mom, know some people can do like this.
Yeah, some people can do that. You're doing that right now.
Yeah, you push your legs and you grab on it.
All right, come on, guys. You want to
Come on. There's 12 here and they're on lava.
They just poop.
What?
They just poop.
They don't pee?
Uh-uh.
Oh, God. They do not. They do not poop. So,
Hey, quit throwing burrs on me. We are heading down to the deer feeder to put the SD cards back in the game cameras. I like to leave them down there for a few days and then check them. So far we've only seen one deer once, and that was in the first few days of having the game cameras up. It was a young buck, but we haven't seen any more deer since then, and he hasn't come back since then either. However, we did get some really good pictures of a huge flock of red-winged blackbirds, which I thought was pretty cool. But not exactly what we're going for out here.
Look at that!
What kind of track is that? What do you think?
It's a October.
A what?
Mommy, make my track.
You made your track? Where?
TikTok.
Oh, with your fingers?
TikTok. I like the sand. Mommy.
What?
Mom, we at the beach. We make a sand castle and we can put this feather in there.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. It is now 9 o'clock and we are ready to start school.
We need your help. My belly, look.
I'll just drink my coffee so
Who keeps waking? I said it. Is that nice?
That works. Okay.
Me won.
You won!
Make you
Good
walk
job.
my face. Me won that day, Mom.
You like this game?
Yeah, me win.
What is that, Isaac? What's your stuff that you got?
Huh?
Do you remember what it's called?
Moss.
It's moss. And what is moss?
Little grass.
Little plants.
No,
right?
plants.
It's not grass.
Mama, spell really high.
Don't touch them all.
They're not too hot.
They're not hot?
No. Sometimes too hot. Hey, this one doesn't too hot.
Wait, how is it? Hard as a rock?
Yummy.
Yummy, good.
In the middle, it's nice and squishy, but around it's nice and hard.
Oh, it's because I made them with all white sugar. But the little guys wanted to ride their bikes, so we are out here in the yard on this windy afternoon.
Well, this laptop is peed. Whoa. Whoa, you made that whole thing. I think that this is awesome. Oh, yeah, it does. A back is over to a good.
You riding your bike to get fresh air? Oh, you're letting your bike get fresh air. Okay, watch out. Everything is looking so wintry now. This is actually where my garden was this summer. It's all gone. You can hardly even tell there was a garden there. The leaves are almost all bare. The wind we've had lately certainly hasn't helped. Winter is fast approaching. Be here before we know it.
Also take this guy.
It is about 3:30 and I am in the kitchen getting ready to get dinner ready. It's hard to see in there, but that is actually some chicken for my husband's lunches for the next couple of days. And then, whoa, tripping on toys. Going to peel some potatoes for potato soup tonight for dinner. Thank you, boys. Are you doing the pigs or the goats or both or what?
Goats.
Just the goats. All right, they'll be happy. Thank you. Dinner was very delicious, and afterwards we watched most of a movie. We're watching the second Lord of the Rings movie, and it takes us a while to get through one of those. It is about 8:30 now. The kids are in bed. We're all heading to bed. We go to bed pretty early around here on the weekdays, but I just wanted to take you guys along on our day. Thanks for stopping by the farm, and if you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Just a real quick disclaimer on this video. I was editing it and then realized how much is actually left out in the day-to-day. I didn't show any of the cleaning up messes, the loads of laundry, the breaking up fights between my kids. So, you know, kind of just a quick glimpse of our day. It's certainly not comprehensive.